Hello, I'm Leo. Today, I'm going to introduce Quiet and Healing Book Cafe. It is located in Iris Garden. It is on the second floor, and I go up the stairs. Turn right, and you can see the entrance. There are many tables outside. If you enter the cafe, you can see the counter. There are many books on the right. On the left, there are large windows. You can see the scenery through the windows. I order a cup of peppermint tea, and it makes me warm. There is a park beside the cafe. It's sunny outside. The weather is so nice. The trees are as tall as the cafe building. Walking the tree trail, you can enjoy the nature. Fresh air, birds singing. I like the feeling of warm sunshine. Its English name is Iris Garden, and it is famous for iris. Next time, I'll come again for healing. Thank you.